Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a really cute canvas from diamonddartclub that I just think is so cute. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So this was one of diamonddartclub's newer releases. I'm not sure. I don't believe it was last week. I believe it was the week before, a couple of weeks ago. And it was so cute when I first saw it. I love cats. If y'all have seen some of my unboxings, I recently have doing a lot of kitty cat unboxings, but I love cats. I own cats. So I kept seeing that they're releasing a lot of different ones of different cats, and this one just won me over. As much as I love my cats, I love coffee. And this, together, is perfect for me. This wonderful canvas is called Purrfect Latte by Kayomi Harari. Apologies if I mispronounced that. And it is a 13 by 13 inch or 33 by 33 centimeter. It is a round shaped diamond, and it's just a lovely kitty cat just looking at their wonderful latte, ready to enjoy. I look like that too when I get a good cup of coffee. And in case you've never purchased diamonddartclub canvases before, they do come in sturdy boxes, which I'm a big fan of, and they are plastic wrapped. They always have the emblem of whether it's a round or square diamond. Since this is a round kit, it has a circle on it, and it's a pastel kind of pink. If it's a square, it would be a pastel blue with a square in the front. A big fan of that because it's a good indicator. On the side of the box, it includes information and a small photo of the painting, which this painting is 29 colors and includes one aurora borealis or AB diamond, one iridescent diamond, and two fairy dust diamonds. The total number of diamonds that are placed once you're completed the canvas is 14,400 diamonds. That is so small. It's a 33 by 33. Makes sense. It's so cute though. And at the bottom it has information of their social media. Back of the box it includes information in case you need to diamond painting, what the kit includes, and standard warnings for there are small pieces in the canvas. And on the side it includes a motto, unleash your inner artist. Kind of like that. So yeah. So also at the bottom of the box it includes a small thumbprint of the photo and information about the painting as well. I love that because I stack my stash. I'm a big fan of that. I can just see real quick. Oh, I want to work on that one, and I can just pull it out. Big fan of that. So let me get everything out of the box and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So the box includes the canvas, which is in this lovely little drawer, which we'll go over in a moment. Includes as well a pamphlet, which includes your labels as well for when you need to kit up, and your toolkit. And the toolkit does come in a sturdy little plastic bag. Big fan of that. And let me just get everything out really quick. There's a lot of little parts, but I'm just making sure I don't lose anything. And there we go. So it does have a new redesigned pen, which has a little brass tip that when you twist it, there's actually putty that's preloaded. So if I just twist it, you'll see some of the putty start moving up slowly. At one end is also availability for multi-placer, or you can pull off and replace it with a different one. If the putty tip is twisted the other way, you can remove it. So if you finish whatever putty that's in the pen tip, you can refill it and put the plunger back. And all you would do is just screw it back in. And you're good to go. You can see the putty was slowly moving up. I love, originally it was a different design, but I love the brass tips. I'm a big fan of it because I use them a lot. It also includes some extra of diamonddartclub putty, just in case you finish what's in the pen. And you can use it in a multi-placer as well. I'm a big fan of their putty. I really do like it. It also includes some standard resealable bag, really sturdy bags. Big fan of them. I use them for my spare storage. And a redesigned tray. And since this is a smaller canvas, the tray is smaller. It does depend on it. I have opened larger canvases. I received a larger tray. Since this canvas is smaller, it has a smaller tray. You can remove the lid on top, and inside it did put smaller items, just so, I don't lose them. It includes another multiplacer of 7 and a pad, one pad of the really, really nice pink wax. I'm a big fan of this. I do use it a lot. And it includes the tray. So the tray does have deep grid lines. Lots of lines actually. And it really helps with keeping the diamonds straight. And it is sturdy plastic, as you can hear, and has a little stopper. So once you're done painting, you can remove the stopper, pour out the diamonds, and put the stopper back. And you would just slide the lid back and you're good to go. So it's a newer tray. Sometimes I have problems closing. I have no idea why. So, and it does stop from any diamonds from spilling, but as I said, since it's a newer tray, sometimes in the beginning it just needs to, you know, have the lines kind of wore down a bit. And there we go. And on the side, it includes the name of the company, diamonddartclub, and their motto, do what makes you sparkle. At the bottom, the trays are a little lifted in groups, so they're really useful for stacking once you have several. I do have a lot of them, so I love that because it saves space whenever I'm stacking one. So let me put everything back in the bag. I kind of don't want to lose everything. Put the pen back as well, and I want to leave that multiplacer. And put it on a desk that's next to me. And this is the sticker sheet. So it includes a little pamphlet that includes the label sheet as well. And in the pamphlet, it includes information, again, if you're new to diamond painting, it has steps, information on refilling the pen, tips and tricks, and what the kit contains. On one side, it includes a QR code to scan to join the VIP Diamond Art Club Facebook group. And on the other side, it has a QR code for the Diamond Art Club app. And once the app is installed, you can use it for locating anything, any information you want for their canvases. Anything on the website, you see through the app as well. It can be installed on an Apple and Android device. And if you purchase your first canvas through the app, a 20% discount is applied. And I just really, really love the app. And for some transparency, I am a Diamond Art Club affiliate, so kind of closer to the end of this video, I'll make sure to put my code just in case, you know, you're interested in purchasing any canvas. So the label sheet. In the front, it includes the name of the painting and a sticker and all of that of the company, which is an adhesive. I do have it stuck on my desk. And on the inside is the label sheet. This painting has 29 colors, and it has one AB, one luminescent, and 2 fairy dust. And Diamond Art Club now puts the special drills at the end of the line, so they used to be in the beginning section of the labels, but now they put them at the end. The labels are pre-cut and have an adhesive. And in the back of the label sheet, it has a small image of the canvas and the information as well. And these are an adhesive, which always gives me problems whenever I'm trying to lift it. And you can lift, this removes as well. So it's the image, the information, and the end start date as well. I love using these for I have a physical logbook, so I'm a big fan of these. Really helps out a lot. So I just put it back in the pamphlet because I do not want to lose my labels. And there we go. So let me put it to the side real quick. And this is the little shelf. So they redesigned their boxes that paintings now are in a little shelf that you would just pull this out of the main box, and the canvas is nice and securely tucked in. Big fan of that because you used to be able just to put them back in the box, but it was a little bit difficult sometimes. And oh yay, I got a card. So Diamond Art Club introduced Treasure Quest cards. I'm going to put the little shelf aside real quick. My little desk here. And the little Treasure Quest cards are so cute. As you can see, it has all the information of the painting as well as an image. Big fan of that. It has a nice little holographic effect. It's just so cute. At the back, it lets you know what kind of card type is. This one is a bronze because it indicates there. The way the Treasure Quest cards are, there are 4 different colors. There is a bronze, a silver, gold, and a black card, which is rare. And depending on the combo of cards you have, you can scratch off the codes that's in the bottom, redeem them on the Treasure Quest website, and there are several gift cards that, depending on the combo cards you receive. I'm a big fan of the cards, so I'm okay. To me, it makes no difference what color I receive. I just love collecting the cards. I just love collecting cards. I'm a big fan of that. And if you want more detailed information, you can access the website of about the treasure quest cards, or you can scan the QR code if you do receive a card. It'll direct you to the website. This is so cute. I just keep looking at it. And this is the canvas. The canvas does always come in a dust-proof plastic bag. But you know, apologies for that dramatic opening there. And the diamonds are wrapped up in the canvas. So Diamond Art Club canvases are really soft, really velvety soft, as you can hear. I'm a big fan of that. And the edges are scalloped and poked. Keeps the edges from fraying. As you can see when I unfurl it. Oh, it's so cute. Let me just lay it down. It will start resting a bit. That's why I'm a big fan of their canvases. That they just start laying down. If I just leave it alone for a while, you'll see it straightening out. In the middle is the diamonds. So I love that their little diamond packet includes the name of the canvas as well. So if you store your canvas and your diamonds separately, you can always match them because the little indicator lets you know. I'm a big fan of that. And this is the canvas. Oh, this is so cute. Now that I'm looking at it, I can see it really clearly. I kind of want to start this, but let's go through the canvas. On the top left corner and on the lower right corner is the whole legend of all the diamonds. I'm a big fan of that because I do spin my canvas around while I'm diamond painting. I usually do that, especially when I finish sections and want to move on and I don't have enough space. For the top of the canvas, it has the name of the company, Diamond Art Club, their motto, do what makes you sparkle. At the bottom left corner is a small thumbnail of the image and the information about, I was going to say latte, information about the canvas. In the middle of the bottom of the canvas is information about their social media, and a hashtag is to show, you know, any updates you're doing on the painting, as well as a 10% discount code if you want to purchase your next canvas. On the lower right corner is information about their customer service, that if there's any issues with the canvas, any issues with the diamond, you can reach out to them, for the canvases have a lifetime warranty. I've worked with their customer service. I've had no problems at all. They're really kind, really informative, helped me out with my issue. As you can see on the plastic, there are dotted lines. There is perforations in the plastic. The plastic on the canvas is a really sturdy one. Really big fan of that. And the adhesive on the canvas, is really strong. Diamonds always stay put. Never have any issue with the canvases. The lines help you see where the perforations or the cut in the plastic is. So as you'll hear in a moment, you can tear it, sectioning off of where the lines are. I'm a big fan of this because it does help me see where the lines are, and it makes it easier just to tear off tear off a piece of the plastic and work on the section I want to work on. And do not worry, the paint doesn't stay on the canvas. As you can see, it's all in the plastic. It'll come off every time you're sectioning off, so your wonderful painting isn't going to have lines. I am a big fan of this, and I'm so happy they included this. Big fan of it. I usually do a flyover video, but this canvas is so small, you can all see just how wonderful this canvas is. I really want a cup of coffee when I see that. So let's quickly look at the diamonds. This should go by quickly since it's such a small number. It's 29. Apologies for the crinkly noise. Gotta let the diamonds out. And put that aside real quick. Oh my goodness, this is so small, and I love this peachy color. And I believe this is the background. Big fan of the peach color, and I love that. You can see the white and all the browns. Big fan of that. So let's get this first strip out. And there we go. First color we see is 948, that really pastel peach. 967, 3863, 3864. I'm going to have to be careful with these two. 3861, 452, 353, 801, 819, V3865. This is our first wonderful white fairy dust. Big fan of that. And the symbol for this one is a square dot, which is on the cup. And it's on the steam as well. As you can see all that little steam circling around. It's also on the kitty cat whiskers and on the cup. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. I love it. That's going to have a bunch of little soft sparkle all over the place. I'm a big fan of that. And our first and only AB 712. It's a really soft pastel cream color. You can see a little prismatic effect on the AB. Big fan of that. The symbol for this one is a capital N. And for this one, it's on the cup. It's here around the rim and on the side of the cup as well. Big fan of that. Oh, that's going to look so cute. I love that. I love that the cup's going to have sparkle. I was hoping it would. Next color, 898, 453, 754, 3371, 3778, 758, 301, 3824, and 400. I love that you can see it getting less and less. I love that effect. And for our next strip, includes 402, Z3772, and that is our next fairy dust. Ooh, that is so pretty. The fairy dust effect is kind of giving it a golden shine, as you can see it. It's like a copper. Oh, that's so pretty. And the symbol of this is a spade, you know, from cards. It is in the coffee, and I love that. And it's also in the kitty's eyes. As you can see in this lighter brown, this beautiful copper color will be on here. I've never had a really brown fairy dust before. Big fan of that. And our next color, L3821. This is our only, I believe, yes, luminescent diamond. And the symbol for this one is an L shape. As you can see, it's a rhinestone effect, as you can see. Oh, that's so pretty. And this is in the kitty's eyes. Oh my goodness, that's going to be so pretty. It's this yellow part that's surrounding the iris. And that's where this beautiful luminescence is going to be. Oh my goodness, even the kitty's eyes are going to sparkle. Big fan of that. And the next number, 223, 3328, 745, 3831, 3858, and 760. Oh my goodness, this canvas is so pretty and super winning me over to start on this next. But I already have planned out what canvases I want to do. This one is so cute. Oh, I really love this one a lot. Excuse me. And as I stated before, I am a Diamond Art Club affiliate, so you see a code appear right around here. It is Rose10, and when a code is used for your first time purchase with Diamond Art Club, for any canvas, doesn't just have to be this one, $10 will be taken off your order. And just for some transparency, anytime the code is used, a small little commission comes back to me, but do not worry, it always goes back to the channel. It gives me the opportunity to purchase more diamond paintings or anything diamond painting related. Don't worry, it always comes back. And again, if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do, with kitty cats and coffee for all. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.